Laundry. Yes. Hello, good morning, ma'am. I am Marie Tabacon from Laundry Department. I am here for your laundry request. May I know if you are Miss Durable Dancer now, who called for laundry pickup? Yes, please tell me. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I know if you're done filling out your laundry form? No, not yet. Okay, ma'am, here's your laundry form. Can you please fill it out for me? And may I know, ma'am, where can I find your laundry item? Beside my bed. Okay, ma'am. Here. Ma'am, please allow me to counter check your laundry items. Please go ahead. Upon checking, ma'am, you have 2 pants, 5 t-shirts, and 1 jacket, and they are all damage-free. Would you like to give special instruction about your clothes, ma'am? Okay, ma'am, how would you like your clothes to be washed? Is it hand wash, machine wash, or dry cleaning? Machine wash. Okay, ma'am, noted. Okay, ma'am, how about your clothes to be delivered, ma'am? Is it hung or folded? Folded. Okay, noted, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I know if what kind of delivery service would you like to avail? We have express delivery service wherein your clothes will be delivered after 3 hours with extra fees of 300 pesos, and our regular delivery service is wherein your clothes will be delivered at after 8 hours without extra fees. I'll choose express delivery service. Okay, ma'am, noted. Okay, ma'am, your total amount to pay is 1,650, wherein the 1,350 is for the laundry service and the other 300 pesos is for the extra charge. And how would you like to settle your account, ma'am? Is it cash or charge upon checkout? I'll pay you in cash. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, please allow me to repeat your laundry request. You have 2 pants, 5 t-shirts, and 1 jacket, and they are all damage-free. And your clothes to be washed is machine washed, and your clothes will be delivered via express delivery service, and your account will be settled via cash with total amount of 1,650. Did I get it right, ma'am? Okay, ma'am, thank you. And ma'am, can you please sign this, ma'am? Okay, ma'am, your clothes will be delivered at after 3 hours. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for picking up my laundry.
You're welcome, ma'am. Once again, I am Marie Tabacon from Laundry Department, and thank you for choosing our service, and have a pleasant day.